What is real? Is it what we can touch? What we can see? Philosophers have pondered this question for centuries. Some, like George Berkeley, believe that reality is not physical at all. Instead, reality is mental. It exists only in our minds. This is called idealism.
Think about it. We experience the world through our senses. Our brains interpret the signals from our senses. What we perceive as reality is just our brain's interpretation. It's a mental construct. Could this mean that our thoughts have power? If we believe something strongly enough, does it become real? This idea might seem far-fetched, but it makes you think about the nature of reality itself.
This brings us to cartoons. Cartoons are products of imagination. They exist in the minds of their creators. But what if our minds are powerful enough to give them a form of reality?
Imagine a computer program so advanced that it creates an entire universe. This universe is so realistic that the beings inside it believe it's real. They live, they love, they experience all the complexities of life. They have no idea they are simply lines of code in a giant simulation. This is the essence of simulation theory.
Proposed by philosopher Nick Bostrom, it suggests that we might be living in a simulation created by a more advanced civilization. If so, what are the implications for cartoons? Could cartoons be simulations within our simulation? Perhaps they exist on a different level of reality. A reality created by the minds of their creators and brought to life on our screens. If our reality is not what it seems, then the possibilities for cartoons are truly endless.
Quantum mechanics is a branch of physics that studies the very small. It has revealed some truly bizarre things about our universe. One of the strangest is the observer effect.
This principle states that the act of observing a system actually influences its behavior. Think of light. Light can act as both a wave and a particle, but we only observe one or the other depending on how we choose to measure it. Our observation determines the reality of the light.
How does this relate to cartoons? When we watch a cartoon, are we not observing it? Could our collective observation, our shared belief in their existence, give them a form of reality? It's a mind-bending thought. Einstein's theory of relativity tells us that time is not absolute. It is relative to the observer's frame of reference. This means that time can pass at different rates for different observers, especially at speeds close to the speed of light.
Consider this. Cartoon characters